Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisper of Jesus. Here we have the Australian little eagle, called little because it's a very small sized eagle. This is a dark morph, so he's got dark brown feathers, but they have a light morph variant too, which has a sort of a creamy colour to its feathers. So it's chilling out in the tree here. A little bit of a breeze blowing. I saw this eagle catch a rabbit 2 days ago, but I didn't make any good video. I don't have the video documentary skills of BBC Earth, but it fed on an adult sized rabbit 2 days ago. It was flying on the breeze and then it dived down and caught the big rabbit. So, a beautiful bird of God's creation. And we've got Canberra in the background. It's a little bit windy and cloudy. We've got a storm brewing. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. Really beautiful bird. Okay, I will stop filming and I'm going to make a video about a prophetic dream I had this morning about New Zealand. And I'll try and keep the eagle in the video as well. Okay, I will zoom out and I'll make a new video.